Alright guys, let me do very quick video with one tip for you about ranking on Google. This is very fundamental, very strong subject and feature if you use ranking your eBay account on Google. Yes, I'm not talking about ranking on eBay, that's another thing, okay? Which is connected actually, but ranking, you don't mind if I will wear sunglasses because sun is shining, right? Not to be fancy, but just to be more comfortable. Ranking your account on Google, okay? You can rank your account on eBay and you can rank your account on Google. Okay, two different things, right? So when you rank your account on eBay, not necessarily means that anybody can find you on a Google. Maybe there is no visibility for you on a Google at all, okay? So, but you can rank your account to be visible on a Google as well. When you have those two positions, how many sales did you get now? Or just from one? Inside eBay's audience, 170 people are watching your listings and that's what you all got, right? So how many sales you got out of the eBay's audience only? Now think how many sales you would get if you have eBay's audience and Google's audience. Oh baby, this one is huge. Google is huge. You better think how you can rank your eBay account on a Google. This is what we do. That's why my results are totally different than everybody's results out there, unless you use Google ranking. If you use Google ranking and rank your account on Google, your results will be the same pretty much like mine, okay? If you sell good things, right, like we do. So that's what we do in our training. First, how we start. We do like a very newbie, like nothing absolutely complicated. We just start listing on eBay. We don't think about Google. No, nothing about Google. But we start doing good job for eBay to get our position on eBay pretty good up, okay? So what I mean by this is, let me give you some numbers. That's much easier to understand, okay? Let's say on eBay, you rank your account up on the top when somebody is looking for the hiking shoes for men. Very strange. Okay, anyway, hiking shoes for men, okay? You want, if somebody is typing in eBay hiking shoes for men, you want to be on the top, right? That's what we do. That's our purpose for our training, how to get our stuff. Even if you never sold the hiking shoes for men, you put the new one, new listing you put on eBay, how to get that new listing on the top. That's the secret. That's what we do in our trainings, and that's what it's kind of like first part, okay? Out of 100 listings, let's say you have all 100 listings, and for those who never have followed me before, you know that my tactics, which you can get below this video, okay? There is a link, you can enjoy my tactics as well if you want. My tactics are totally different than other people's tactics. We need to sell wholesale, we need to do only blah blah blah, and whatever it is, automation and all this stuff. It's not working. That's why we do manual dropshipping, and that's why we never ever ever list more than 100 active listings. Never ever. And if you are in my training, you know that you never even need to proceed over 50, 60 listings. That's the average, 50, 60. We come to the 50, 60 active listings and we do not list new items. Why? Because we used to sell those 50, 60 listings over and over and over again. We used to sell more. We don't go wide, we go deep. Okay, that's what we do. Anyway, here's the thing. That's why we rank up there. And this is very, very important, because if you have 5,000 listings and you sell only 20 items of them per day, it's very not fruitful. You are not in a good position on eBay's radar, okay? Because you have too many items and too few sales. Okay, what we do and how eBay perceives us, we have very few items and we sell most of them. That's how we rank on eBay. We don't need to pay for that. It's eBay who does that for us. Okay, so when this first stage is okay, the second stage, how to rank on a Google, is like multiplication 10 times, 20 times of the same you are doing. You just need to transfer your visibility to Google. You want to see how to do this? Very simple. Below this video there is a link. You can take my tactics and start ranking on eBay and start ranking on Google. See you inside, or see you tomorrow. Bye bye.